Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm frying me some fish. Today is Friday, I'm off of work and I'm excited. So I cleaned my fish off. Here's my fish here. So these are 2 catfish fillets. So I just cleaned it. Now I'm just drying the pieces of fish on both sides. Here you go. I got these fillets at Kroger's. And they come in a little package like this. And it's like $5 for just 2 pieces of fish, which I'm the only one that eats the fish. Okay. So my oil over here in my pan, you probably can see my pan here getting hot. So this is the fish fry that I use, you guys. I use Andy. Okay. Make sure your fish is all dried off. So how are you today? I hope all is well. We're starting to get this storm. I left work an hour early to beat this, and that was the best decision that I made. Because it's coming down now. It's starting off as rain. So, I'm going to put some Andes on here. This is the best fish seasoning to me, because it's already seasoned. So now I'm about to coat my fish. I know once this get to frying, Bink's gonna come from upstairs, so that's where she's at. In my room, in her chair sleep. See, that's how my fish look. Coated and ready for this hot oil. And you test the grease with the little remnants like on your hand. Just sound like that grease ready to roll. So make sure it's all the way seasoned. Every little piece and inch of this fish. Oh, Bink's down here. Hey, dear. You come down here. finna put it in the grease.